Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will be looking into the 10th hadith, which is regarding the commandment of Suhoor, that is taking Suhoor, and its blessings. And Anas ibn Malik radiyallahu anhu قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم تسحروا فإن في السحور بركة. Mutafaqun alayhi. Anas ibn Malik radiallahu anhu narrated that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, take Suhoor, for indeed there are blessings in Suhoor. So take Suhoor with A, and there is blessing in Suhoor. What are these two words? We will look into it inshallah. The hadith is evidence that the fasting person is ordered to take Suhoor because there is a lot of good in it and tremendous blessings, religiously and worldly. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned the blessings as an enticement to take Suhoor and an encouragement to do so. So Suhoor with the alif, A in this case in English, okay, is what is eaten at the time of Sahar, which is the last part of the night. So what is being eaten at the time of Sahar, this is the last part of the night, is Suhoor. And Suhoor with Dhamma, and in English it is you, is the act of eating Suhoor. The act of eating Suhoor is Suhoor. This order in the hadith is understood to be a recommendation and it's not obligatory. So if someone does not take his pre-dawn meal, he can continue to fast and his fast would be valid. This is by consensus, by ijma'. The evidence is that the Prophet ﷺ connected his fast without breaking them, and his companions did the same. Connecting the fast here means to fast for 2 or more consecutive days without breaking the fast, instead fasting the day and night. So in this case, the fast was valid. He did not take the pre-dawn meal. So there are many blessings mentioned in Suhoor, which the Shaykh brings over here, which is beneficial in this life and the hereafter. So the first of that is, from among the blessings of Suhoor is, it provides strength for worship and helps one to obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala during the daytime, such as salah, reading the Qur'an, and remembering Allah, the zikr of Allah. The hungry person is sluggish in worship just as he is sluggish in his daily work. And this is visible. The second benefit that he brings is, the blessings of Suhoor is that due to it he will achieve a desire to fast more, since the difficulty is lessened for the mutasahhir, the one who ate Suhoor. He will desire to fast and he will not be irritated by it. So it is a benefit for him to, the eagerness of fasting will be more for him if he takes the Suhoor. From among the blessings of Suhoor is following the sunnah. When the mutasahhir makes the intention to take Suhoor, submitting to the orders of the Prophet ﷺ and emulating his action, his taking Suhoor becomes an act of worship. He will obtain reward for having this intention. And if the fasting person intends by his eating and drinking to strengthen his body for fasting and standing in the prayer at night, he will be rewarded for that too. The fourth blessing of Suhoor is that the person gets up during the last part of the night for the remembrance of Allah, supplication and salah. That is the time one expects an answer to their supplications. So if he gets up for Suhoor, he gets the benefit of remembering Allah and to make dua and to stand for salah. The fifth blessing of Suhoor is, in it is a contradiction to the people of the book. And the Muslim, it is sought for him that he distances himself from imitating them. The Prophet ﷺ, he said, فَصْلُ مَا بَيْنَ صِيَامِنَا وَصِيَامِ أَهْلِ الْكِتَابِ أَكْلَةُ السَّحُورِ. The difference between our fast and the fasting of the people of the book is eating Suhoor. The sixth blessing of Suhoor is praying Salatul Fajr in congregation at its best time. That is why you find those who pray Salatul Fajr in Ramadan are great in number than the other months. because they got up in order to take sahur. So this is one of the reasons you find the masajids are full, because the people they come for Jama'ah in Fajr is because they had taken sahur, and it's easy for them now to come to the masjid. A person is considered to have taken sahur by consuming the smallest amount of food or drink. So this is another fiqh issue, and it is not restricted to a certain type of food. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu narrated that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ni'ma sahurul mu'mini at-tamr." The preferred sahur for the believer is dates. This is reported by Abu Dawud. From the etiquettes of fasting is that the fasting person should not be extravagant in sahur meal, filling his stomach with food. Rather, he should eat proportionally. For a human being does not fill a vessel worse than the stomach. When a person takes his fill during just before the dawn, he will not benefit from his time until close to dhuhr, because excessive eating causes laziness and lethargy. And he's saying, "Ni'ma sahurul mu'mini at-tamr." This, the preferred sahur for the believer is dates. There is an indication of this meaning. Meaning what? That the sahur should be light. Indeed, in addition to the nutritional value of the date, it is also light on the stomach and easy on the digestive system. What is more, if eating until full is combined with staying up at night and sleeping throughout the day, then the purpose of fasting has been lost. And Allah knows best. Allahumma inna nas'aluka minal khayri kulli ma alimna minhu wa ma lam na'lam, wa na'udhu bika min sharri kulli ma alimna minhu wa ma lam na'lam. Allahumma jannibna munkarat al-akhlaqi wal a'mali wal ahwa'i wal adwa, waghfir Allahumma lana wa liwalidina wa li jameel muslimin. O Allah, we ask you for all goodness, what we know of it and what we do not know. And we seek refuge from you from all evil, what we know of it and what we do not know. O Allah, distance us from evil character, evil deeds, evil desires and diseases, and forgive us, O Allah, our parents and the Muslims. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.